Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook so rich and creamy paneer recipe they serve in Nawabi style in restaurants, Paneer Peshawari. Yes, that's exactly we are going to make today. Nice and creamy Paneer Peshawari, so let's get started. Take 8 to 10 soaked almonds and 8 to 10 soaked cashew nuts. Make a nice fine paste of it. Now, here I have taken one large onion roughly chopped. Now take a kadai, pour some oil and deep fry these onions till they get golden brown and let them cool at room temperature and then make a paste of these brown onions. Same kadai, pour 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon piece and 1 nutmeg. This is a small piece of nutmeg, 3 cardamom and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Keep the flame medium and give it a quick mix. And now I am adding ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Now add the brown onion paste and stir it for just a minute on medium flame. Now I am going to add coriander powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and gonna mix it. And now I am going to add tomato puree 1 cup. Close and let it cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, add the almond and cashew nuts paste. It will give nice and creamy texture and richness to our gravy. So you can see our masala paste is mixed properly with each other. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk into it. In Peshawari paneer, we use milk instead of water to maintain the richness of our gravy. I'm gonna cover it for about 5 more minutes till oil gets separated. After 5 minutes, add some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of garam masala into it. Now cook it till the masala paste thickens. After stirring for about 3 minutes, now I'm adding 1/3 cup of fresh cream into it. Well, it's a Nawabi paneer recipe, so you can serve it easily if you are having guests at your home and you can impress them by your cooking skills. So now the time to add paneer. I have 400 grams of paneer cubes. After adding paneer, I'll stir it for about 2 minutes and let it cook covered for about 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see all the excess moisture evaporated, oil is separated. Now sprinkle some crushed Kasuri Methi which is roasted to nice aroma, and with this our Peshawari paneer is done. You can dress it with some fresh coriander leaves and with some fresh cream. Well, just looking at the Peshawari paneer, I am already drooling. I can't wait to get a bite of that. It can be served with naan, tandoori roti, fulkas, lachha paratha or whatever you like. And tell me how this Nawabi Peshawari paneer recipe worked for you in the comment section. And keep cooking, keep watching my channel. Thank you so much.